How to cast off chevron stitch. So if you just cast off regular stitch, it will have the straight edge. But if you follow the pattern and cast off, you will have the like this shape, the pattern. So first you knit first stitch, normal, and then knit second stitch. Instead of slide off, you knit through back loop. So you will have two loops, and consider this loop as one stitch, one loop. So pull it over through the both and knit the next stitch and pull it through. Use your finger or tip of the needle and leave one stitch on the needle. So knit 3 more stitches as regular, yarn over, and here's the decrease part. Gonna have a slip, knit wide, slip, and put your needle back and knit one. So you reduce to 1. Now you cast off, and here knit 2 together. Follow the pattern and put it over. So knit 4 stitches regular cast off way. 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you have 2 stitches left, you will knit first and second through the back loop. So consider this as a 1 stitch. So you go through 2 loops. Leave 2 loops on the needle and then knit the last and pull it through. That's how you cast off chevron stitch, and then you have this pattern.